I am right now here in Sarwan, Karapur of Bicholi Taluka. Now, the purpose of my visit here to be amongst the people who are agitating here for the last 17 days. And what is the issue, my friends? The issue is more than 5 lakhs square meters. How much? 5 lakh square meters of virgin land territory in their village has been taken over, converted, destroyed, all vegetation destroyed for a person called Abhinandan Lodha. They are bringing one of the biggest projects. They are creating an artificial beach. Can you imagine? Artificial beach. They are marketing this place like this. And in this serene village, surrounded by hills, valleys, vegetation, they want it to be taken over by over 10,000 people suited and booted who will come from various places and destroy completely the character of this land. This is the nature of the agitation that is fighting this onslaught against their own land, against their own territory, against their gaonpan, goincha gaonpan. So this is the appeal going out from here to every Goan, wherever you are, to every well-wisher of Goa, wherever you are in the whole wide world, to stand behind these people. These are our Goan people, simple living. They are enjoying their living. They have lived in throughout history, thousands of years. They have maintained this place. They have maintained the serenity of this place, which is sought to be destroyed by the money bags who are coming from various places, whether from North India or anywhere, and that facilitation takes place for their coming here through the local government, through the local ministers. I don't even have to name them. The whole of Goa knows what is happening. And today is the 17th day. These women, they have no work, they have no livelihoods, yet for the sake of their village, for the sake of this place, for the sake of this taluka, for the sake of the state of Goa, they are here sitting, and I am expressing my solidarity not only as Elvis Gomes, but as a representative of Enough is Enough movement also, because Justice President Rebello and the whole core committee of Enough is Enough has openly expressed solidarity and support to these agitators, and we will not rest until justice is done to these people. Their rights are restored back to them. Their place is preserved for posterity, for their future generations. This is what is Goinkarpan, this is what is Gaonpan, and any onslaught on the land of Goa will be resisted and fought tooth and nail till this government realizes. Otherwise, time will come, we will have to remove this government from Goa and bring in a regime that will help these people. Thank you very much.
आमका जाय आमका जाय आमका जाय जिकल्या वगार सोडचिना जिकल्या वगार सोडचिना दिल्ली कारण दिवचिना दिल्ली कारण दिवचिना आमका जाय आमका जाय आमका जाय गो बॅक गो बॅक